So, final recording for Centipede. I'm going to show you first the game. I'll show you a tractor mode. I'll show you everything works in a tractor mode and how it's supposed to. So, high score, centipede spawning. Already broke that centipede. Waves, or score, waves. These were hard-coded. He moves in a tractor mode. Collides with mushrooms, but kind of poorly. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to move into the next state. Oh, actually, if I can get him to die, that would be cool. I'm going to move into the next state with sound on, have that go for about 2 seconds, and then turn it off so I can talk throughout the rest of the game. Let's see if he dies. There he is. Then he restarts when he dies. Move in. Okay, that's enough. So then I'll play the game, show you how it works, show you it does work, show you some of the things I didn't get done, and go from there. So centipede spawns, mushrooms and such. That was the you just saw the centipede state. Don't kill me. I wasn't able to figure out how to do poison state pretty and well, so I just did that straight down as you just saw. Another thing I wasn't able to see, as you can tell, is he doesn't move pretty. I wasn't able to figure that out how I implemented it either. Go away. So let's see if I can kill him. Take me to the next wave. Okay, so next wave. This is the next wave. You can see the lives, see the score. You can see this. He fell. He has a slower speed, as you can tell, because of thing. I still can't fix his stupid glitch. I fixed it for a little bit, and then trying to fix it again just caused more glitches. Oh, and that's another thing. If you see when I destroy him, you see that little thing? My mouse is in the way. That's the explosion glyph. I got it to work, but I could not for the life of me figure out where, like, the dimensions for it for the animated sprite. So it works, but I couldn't figure out where, like, what the dimensions were. So I just left it and thought you wouldn't really care. So this is the thing. I made it so level 0 is considered a tractor mode. I did this just for my ease of mind, because that way I can just set up the levels as it goes, and, quote unquote, the designer wants to change it, so they can change what they want to spawn. Here's all the stuff. You saw all the body count was different. Everything was active during level 1. I turned a couple of them off here, and then 3. I don't think we made it to 3. So the only thing the only thing I've declared essentially, for my wave manager is it has to, if you're done with a level, you have to end it with this underscore. Otherwise, it doesn't count. So I'll take you through my code then. This is the sound manager, as you saw, or at least this is sound on. So for testing purposes, I have true and false just to make my life easier. I'll take you to blaster then. I think that's bullet. No, blaster for you is ship. So the ship is done so it fires one bullet at a time. So that's handled through the bullet manager. Bullet manager sets the bullet inactive, so when it spawns, it tends to spawn a bullet. So if the bullet is spawned, you set it to true. You spawn the bullet, it's equal to true. I guess I did that twice. Oh no, I returned true. And then get the bullet, initialize the bullet. And then this is the, what is it? Go back one, visitor, but not visitor pattern. One of the patterns takes you back to the manager. So only he can call, the bullet can call back to the manager, and then that's when it just sets it to false. So that makes sure that you can't have more than one at a time. Blaster, you saw, moves, has a death explosion. Actually, did I die? It has a death explosion. That one actually looks good as opposed to the other ones because I could actually figure out the size for that one. One bullet at a time. The bullet does not have a factory. It's instead whatever pattern I'm using, and it's shown on all times. So then we'll move on to the mushroom. Mushroom. Okay. Actually, I'll stop it here so I don't crash.